Meaning of federate.
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 Federate. The term federate generally refers to the act of forming a union or alliance between different groups or states. The result of federating is the creation of a larger, more powerful entity that can accomplish goals beyond the reach of its individual parts. In a federated system, each member retains a degree of autonomy while working towards common objectives and adhering to shared rules and regulations. This approach can help distribute power and resources more evenly while promoting cooperation between diverse entities. Federated structures can be found in politics, sports, economics, and many other fields.